guys, what's up? This is Coconut Freaks. Today I'm going to be doing another vlog for you guys. I'm here with Damien here today, and we're going to be making another vlog. We just got a massive thunderstorm today, and it like rained for like 3 hours straight of full force, powerful thunderstorm, tornado warning, storm watch. As you can see, the creek is quite a bit flooded and very dirty. Shit. But anyway, we're going to be going to the other creek, and we're going to be seeing how flooded that is. So yes, stay tuned. So if you guys don't remember, a few vlogs ago, they were having all this construction down here, and as you can see, they've built dams. There's one down there, one up there, and there's one right here. As you can see, it's doing the trick. Whatever they tried to do, it's doing the trick. Throw it. Oh no! So here's Damien, yes, and here's the construction stuff that they're doing down here. I don't know. The point of this is there's no point actually.
Look at their blockade.
And there's literally no point of building that other dam because there's a dam right there and it's completely flooded. And as you can see, all of the oh my god, there's tons of trash. Footballs and softballs and you name it, it's down there. Oh my. They even built a little creek. What are you doing? For what?
I don't know.
It's actually a pretty nice log.
It is a nice log, don't touch it.
Alright. So yeah guys, I'm pretty excited because my teacher told me today that we only have 5 more weeks of school left. So that means summer, and summer means more videos, and more videos means more subscribers. I'm not sure what more videos means. But anyway, we are just walking along this trail to get to the main creek. And as you can see, that's a lake. But that out there is golf field, and it turned into a lake. And there's ducks in it. Like I've said in many of my videos, May 8th, I am going to a demo, firework demo, in Columbia, Missouri, at Spirit of 76 Fireworks for a demo, and that will be pretty cool. I'll record that. Sorry if there's wind, I can't really help it. It's very windy right now. What? You're gonna smash my toe?
You're gonna smash my toe.
Okay, so we are approaching the main creek here, and as I've seen over the highway, this is really, really flooded. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, it's over the banks. Holy. I've never seen this creek this flooded in my entire life, dude. It looks like a freaking flash flood. So usually it stops like right there, and it's all the way up. You might get a better example down here. And if you guys don't believe me, since when do bushes grow in water? Since when do bushes grow in water? As you can see, this has been completely flooded, so we have no passage to get through. And as you can see, right over the barrier, there is water. It's flowing like really, really fast. Are you serious?
Pull your panties up.
How are we gonna make that? You don't even know what's...
What?
Are you seriously gonna go across that?
It's only that far.
You don't even know how deep it is though. So Damien's doing something very risky here. Water on this side, water on this side.
How far is it?
Maybe about another 20, 30 feet. Damien, we can't come back. Oh, I see it. There it is. Okay, so me and Damian are trying to find a way to get through here. As you can see, flooding around here does a big problem because people cannot get anywhere. Oh my my god.
Copyright.
There's the creek here, as you can see it. It's completely flooded. Alright guys, so me and Damien made it under the bridge. We found a way through. As you can see, it's a tad bit flooded. We finally made a way through though. But as you can see, we're under here and got some spray paint going on up there. And we're kind of just chilling underneath here until further notice.